What is up, guys? I'm Nick,
I'm Katie.
and you're watching Nick and Katie, and today we just drove 2 hours to get to Trexler Nature Preserve to ride the brand new trail here called Jack O' Diamonds, and we are just super stoked to ride it. As you can see, there is snow on the ground here. We literally couldn't even go to the parking lot. We had to park at the bottom and ride up this maintenance road to get here in the snow, so we're really hoping, fingers crossed, that we can ride today, but if not, we're going to check out and document Jack O' Diamonds, the sickest trail ever.
Jack O' Diamond features 1.82 miles of mountain bike trails brought to you by Valley Mountain Bikers and Dirt Sculpt LLC.
Jack O' Diamonds is quite simple to find and easy to session. But to help those new to the trail, I'm going to share how we navigated. We had to park out on Mill Creek Road due to North Range Utility Road being closed, but normally you can drive up to this parking lot here. A Google Maps link is in the description if you want to park here too. From there, it's a short pedal up some double track until you see the first sign for Jack O' Diamonds on your left. Jack O' Diamonds is split into 2 sections. The first portion runs from the Jack O' Diamond sign to Hunsicker Valley, and then the second portion runs from there to Border Trail West. To session the whole trail, you can take Border Trail West, then go left on the NR parking connector until you're back in the parking lot to rinse and repeat. If you want to just session the second part of Jack O' Diamonds, you can take Border Trail West, then ride up Hunsicker Valley to the trailhead of the second portion.
Alright, so we are up at the top of Jack O' Diamonds. It is terribly windy, we are super cold, but it looks like most of the trail is not covered with snow. Maybe a little bit at the bottom, so we're going to take it very cautious the first time. But yeah, we're just stoked that we can ride this trail at all, because we were a little worried when we first got here. So let's give it a good, proper first send. Alright, dropping in. Jack O' Diamonds. Definitely some snow on here. Take it real slow the first time. This is sketchy. It's like every lander has snow on it so far. Not sure how much grip there is on this snow. Man, that was sketchy.
Did you slip out?
No, I didn't slip out, but like, I didn't really want to go too crazy.
Yeah.
I did slip out a little bit on one of the berms, but I mean, dude, it was way more covered with snow than I originally thought.
Yeah, it looks deceivingly less snowy at the top.
We were like standing where the sun was probably
Yep.
shining down, so it looked like it was all clear. But the flip side of everything, which was the landers, which is probably arguably even more
Yeah.
sketchy than the takeoffs, were all super snowy. So continuing on, there's still like another area, like another half of Jack O' Diamonds, so we're really hoping that it is a little less snowy. So what do you think about the trails?
I think they're fun in the summertime.
Yeah.
Like they look like they'd be really fun to ride in warmer weather. It's just like the snow and the iciness is kind of limiting our ability to really give a good review about these trails.
For sure. I feel like the trails themselves super shreddable. Big thumbs up to Dirt Sculpt and Valley Mountain Bikers. These trails are absolutely sick nasty, but unfortunately so is the weather right now. So we're just gonna have to basically give it our best today and document the trail so you guys can go ride these as soon as we get some nice weather. So cool, let's get started on the second half of Jack O Diamonds. All right, so now we're at the second part of Jack O Diamonds. That's what we just rode over there. As you can see from this angle, it is a lot more snowy. But one thing I realized thinking back about what we just rode and looking ahead at what we're about to ride is that this is very progressive. So as you go, the jumps seem to get a bit bigger. So I just want to keep that in mind when hitting this, because I do think I should be able to clear maybe some of these first couple tabletops, but then as it goes, it's gonna get bigger. So it might be harder with these snowy conditions. So, all right, let's take it on the second part of Jack O Diamonds. Jack O Diamonds second half. A little better, a little better. Woohoo! Freaking sauced it. This is like better. This isn't as snowy, at least in this spot. There's a little snow. Really slows you down. Almost took out this here sign, but I had to do some trail work. All right, dropping in for the second time on the top of Jack O Diamonds. Katie, follow cam. Sideways in the air there. The wind is just ripping. Yeah. Right? Me too. Yeah, nice. part 2. Yeah. All right, guys, so that was the very best we could do today, showing you guys the brand new Jack O'Diamonds Trail, brought to you by Valley Mountain Bikers and the incredible Dirt Sculpt LLC. This has been such an awesome experience coming all the way out here. We were a little worried when we first got here that we weren't gonna be able to ride anything, but it turns out a couple of those tables back there were actually rideable, so I was glad I got to do some shredding. We followed Katie down the trail, which was awesome, and I feel like we had a pretty good time today, all in all. We're really stoked to come back here when the weather starts to warm up a little bit and give this trail a proper shredding. But until then, please like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss that in the future. And as always, I'm Nick,
And I'm Katie.
and you're watching Nick and Katie. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next
Merry
time.
Christmas.
Oh yeah, Merry Christmas. This is gonna be our last video for the year, so we'll see you guys in 2023.